So we're gonna take her out. This is technically my second time out on the bike. I rode it home from the guy's house I bought it from, and Mark was his name. Super cool guy. Appreciate the bike. Hopefully you'll see this and get to see your bike again. Don't know what that guy's doing. Going to be a 2009 road glide. I have not ever ridden a road glide before now. The ride home with it, you know, it was nice. Definitely enjoyed the ride. It's nice and comfy, and this bike's pretty built. Got cams, got the intake. It's big bore to a 103. Seems to be pretty stout. I haven't really gotten on it really to what it's worth, but we're probably gonna find out here at some point today. But it's supposed to be rainy and crappy tomorrow, so I wanted to get out and take her out on her maiden voyage, stretch her legs a little bit, see how I feel about the bike. Not really a whole lot to not like about it, to be honest. It's about the perfect seating position. I like the handlebars being a little higher. Definitely not mad about the motor work. Hopefully the wind noise will be a little chill. Got the fairing up there blocking some of it. The owner of the bike told me it likes to eat at about 3,000 RPM all the way up to 58. I got a dyno sheet on it. I think it was like mid 90s on the horsepower and low hundreds on the torque. It's Vance and Hines 2-in-1 exhaust. It sounds good. I mean, it's different. I've never had a 2-in-1, so definitely is a different kind of sound. I like it though. The mirrors are definitely going to take some getting used to. Nice and smooth, really. I've been in the market for a computer, which if anybody has tried to build a computer lately knows the struggle that that's been. So far I've done all the editing on my cell phone, which is less than ideal, but but it is what it is. So honestly, if you try and stick with me, hopefully this all keeps getting better and better. But I'm also trying out different modes here on the GoPro. Today we're going to be in 4K. Got the horizon locked to where it'll automatically adjust the horizon, which is kind of cool. So Jessica and Kara, that guy got a guilty charge. I don't remember what the sentencing was, or if he was already sentenced, but crap, is that the sun? First time I've seen that all day. Smooth. Nice job, Mark. I definitely prefer this bar position than the Road King. To me, it feels like it just kind of gives you a little, ooh, big bump. Gives you a little leverage on a bigger bike. You know, you kind of spread them out a little wider. I don't know what it is, but feels better to me with the taller handlebars. Here for some reason. Daughter had a softball tournament over the weekend. Got to pitch and had a good time. She enjoyed it. They didn't win, but at her age, it's not necessarily all about winning. I mean, you want to win, but just getting that experience. Try to cruise the bike here. See how it cruises. Man, I love this backrest. This backrest literally like lets you lean back on it, and it like perfectly hits my back. Freaking comfortable. This bike does have cruise control. Love that tree growing out of that right there. It's awesome. So this is kind of my normal little route when I'm just kind of trying to get used to something, and I like that road too, so that don't hurt. Definitely going a lot faster than it actually feels. Man, gotta get used to that clutch. Doesn't seem like I'm going as fast as I am. look down and I'm doing 60 or something, I feel like I'm doing 45. My buddy Smitty is moving at the end of this month, so congratulations to you and your family. Sounds like you got a nice place. Looking forward to checking it out. It's really hard not to like really crack the throttle right here. I like the way that this bike cuts the wind. Like, I can't feel anything on my hands at all as far as input from the wind. Kind of why I wanted a road glide over the you know, the other ultra glide or the electric glide, street glide. Just feel like, you know, you got like a small child sitting on your handlebars, and that's, you know, all going to your hand. With this, it's, I mean, I feel just like I'm riding any, you know, just a normal bike. It doesn't feel like I'm on a, you know, 700 or 800 pound bike, whatever this bike weighs. I believe this bike is throttled by wire. That's definitely a little touchier than what I'm used to, but literally like the first time I've rode the bike, pretty much. So, well, second time, but definitely still getting used to it. So I did sell my Road King, and to the guy that bought that, if you're watching this, congrats, man. That's a beautiful bike. I really kind of regretted selling it after I sold it, but you know, everything happens for a reason. So really wasn't planning on getting another bike right away. I was going to kind of take my time and do a couple other things, but man, saw this bike, price was right. It's been well taken care of. It's in good shape, so I really had a hard time passing on it. Do research a lot before I buy anything, so I did my research and I felt like it was going to be a good fit for me. So, ooh, got a little squirrely right there. So let me go faster, that'll help. Sure if the exhaust sound is going to translate over to the video, but man, this thing sounds like a beast. Just want to do a little video, show you all the new bike. As with anything that I own, it's for sale. I mean, if somebody wants to pay me that magic number, everything I own is pretty much for sale for the right price. So if I end up with another bike, don't be shocked. Kind of that way. So we'll see what happens. I like it though, it's nice. Woo! Wasn't even getting into the power yet. So we're just going to make this a short little video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll definitely get some more video in here soon on this bike.